Hey everyone, and welcome back to Remember This Tech. Today's video we're going to be doing a simple test featuring the i5-13500 CPU, and we're going to be pairing it with the RTX 5060 8GB card, and this is kind of like the entry-level 50 series card, and we're going to see how it does. We're going to test a few games and give you the results. Mostly we're going to be testing at 1440p here, and we're going to use upscaling FSR, where needed. We're testing a wide range of modern titles, and a few of those titles will be putting on ray tracing, because what's the point of having ray tracing in a card if you can't turn it on, right? So without further ado, let's get right into it, shall we? Come on, let's go! Come on, let's go! Why can't I snap my fingers? Come on, let's go!
Push me!
It's a face on the surface of Mars. Ridiculous.
20 years ago, I moved to Sidonia on a whim. Never thought I'd stay for as long as I have.
How goes?
To accept the truth of higher power is key to understanding the universe.
Faith in the greatness and ingenuity of the human spirit is what helped us spread among the stars.
Heat leeches, breeding, utility section the other day. Not going to be able to get that image out of my head for a while.
So my final thoughts on the i5-13500 CPU and the RTX 5068 gig combo. Well, overall, this combo delivered consistently smooth performance across every game I tested. The 13500 plus the RTX 5060 pair up really well, keeping the 1% lows and the 0.1% lows tight, avoiding stutters, and even in the heavier titles. For 1440p, this setup is an absolutely solid setup, and it punches way above its weight class. And you can get the 13500 used, and maybe even the board and some DDR4 RAM used, and just save yourself a few bucks if this is the type of gaming and the resolutions that you enjoy gaming at. So if you've enjoyed this video, I'll put some of the parts that I used in it down below in the description section if you want to check them out. And then again, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and a like, and give it a hype so that you can help out small channel creators like me. So thanks again for watching. Remember this tech.